Hello friends, today I am sharing this easy method to make handmade paper at home, recycling waste paper scraps. For this method, soak the paper scraps in water for a few hours or overnight, and then you may grind them or mash them thoroughly with your fingers to make the pulp. Take a container full of water and add a few spoons of this pulp and mix it in water. The more pulp you use, the thicker the paper would be. Once the pulp mixes in the water, take a sieve that you have. I had this round shaped strainer, and then put it in water and scoop up some of the pulp and drain off the water as shown. I'll show you two methods to make the paper. For the first method, put a cotton cloth on the sieve and then with the sponge soak up the excess water. Keep on dabbing with the sponge and squeezing off the sponge to remove the excess water, and repeat this process till the paper is a little dry. Then transfer it on a cotton cloth as shown by turning the sieve and tapping a little. Then cover it with the cotton cloth and press down a little. I used a cloth with a texture to get a slight texture on the paper. A smooth cloth will give you a smooth paper. Once it's a bit dry, leave it to dry completely. For making yellow colored paper, I used turmeric along with the pulp, and I repeated the same process. But in this second method, instead of covering with a cotton cloth and dabbing with a piece of sponge, what I did was, once the sieve had drained off most of the water, I took a piece of cotton cloth and I directly dabbed it on the pulp to remove the excess water as shown. It makes the texture of the paper a little bit wrinkly, but it doesn't matter, because when we'll be finally shifting it on a cotton cloth, we can smoothen out the surface. This second method is easier to follow and the water gets absorbed much quickly. The only thing that you have to remember is that when you are putting it to dry on the cotton cloth, you have to tap it all around and smoothen out the surface. This is the way you'll be doing it. Tap it and the surface will become smooth once again. Again, leave it to dry. You can also make pink colored paper by using Potileca flowers. Crush the flowers in the water and you will get a pinkish color. And you may add this color while you are making the paper as shown. Unfortunately, the paper that I had used was pretty bluish in color, so my camera was unable to pick up the light pink color which the paper had got once it got dried up. But you may use a white based paper and get a light pink color using this method. You can also make speckled paper by adding colored bits of paper as shown. You may also add bits of colored thread, and repeating the same process you will be making the paper, but the paper surface will show these bits of paper as speckles. These papers also look pretty and can be used for crafting. Now to dry off the paper, to prevent the curling of paper, put a piece of cloth and cover it with some weight and leave it to dry, or if you are in a hurry, you can use an iron on top of the cloth to get it dried up quickly. These are the various papers that I made. This one is actually the light pink one, but it is not showing on camera as it is very slightly pinkish in color. This is the turmeric one, yellow one, and you can see this is a thin one that I have made, and the last one over there is the speckled one. You can use these handmade papers for crafting, drawing, making cards, or for wrapping flowers, just as any normal paper. Hope you enjoyed watching it, and thanks for watching.